The United Nations General Assembly declared this in the year 2012 as they felt that it was essential to honor parents around the world for their selfless commitment and countless sacrifice that they have endured for their kids. But do we express our love or appreciate our parents enough? Till now, whether the answer is yes or no. I hope that you start now. Try to say yes. Moving for awareness to action through a human rights based approach is good to society. Domestic violence and abuse of the elders to be totally eradicated. In many parts of the world, elders' abuse occurs with little recognition or response. Evidence is accumulating, however, to indicate that older abuse is an important public health and societal problem. You cannot give up on them because they are your parents. Here are few things that will be helpful during this phase of their lives. Don't take them for granted. Accept that elders have changed. Your parents, being elders, are not of the same age when they used to run around and do all the things without complaining. They have grown old, and you need to understand that they have slowed down. They need your affectionate care. Please take more care. Make them your first priority. We tend to think mostly about us when we are in our middle age. When it comes to family, especially aging parents, everything can come next, including you. Be patient. The most important factor you need to instill in yourself is patience. Don't spill words and try not to be rude. It will only make things worse. They no longer have control over things like they used to have. So they tend to get angry and lose their cool. At that time, it is better and let them be and not make matters worse. Don't get into an argument that will increase their anxiety. A great way to involve your parents in your life and make them feel important is by seeking their advice. Ask them what they feel about issues that are troubling you. Take their point and listen to them because that is one of the best things which will make them feel better. An important thing to keep in mind is to give your parents a choice and ask them what they would like to do instead of ordering them around. If you find taking care of your parents is getting increasingly difficult, appoint a caretaker if you can and if they wish. If you have siblings, involve them in all the duties too. Don't take everything on yourself and stress out. If you can't be a part of their world, make them a part of yours. Have dedicated family time. Apologize quickly. Never break communications. Try to maintain the gap between love and independence. What if they had decided not to go through this phase of child rearing? Why did they have to sacrifice so much for our happiness? Wouldn't they have had a much better lifestyle? Pondering over these questions immediately calms us down and makes us realize all that they gave up for our happiness only.